this is a JETS GPS client tutorial on our CNMS live vehicle camera system. Very simple to start with, how to view live footage. So you have your motorcade on the left, so your vehicles, in this instance there's 4 vehicles. You can only view them when the ignition's on. So if they're greyed out, that means the ignition's on. Easiest way, if you want to view all the cameras, is just to double click on it. You'll see that the footage comes down on the right hand side here, and if you click on live, you've got a bigger screen there, and if you double click on one of them, then you get a bigger screen as well. You can take a still image of it just by clicking on the little camera button there. When you've finished, you just right click, stop all video. Say for example you just wanted to view one camera, then you expand the vehicle and just click on the channel that you want. In this instance, channel 1's the forward camera. So we click on that one. And there you go, there it is. And again, can make that bigger. Friday afternoon, stuck in traffic, lovely. And that's how to view live footage.